Hi guys, following the video about the installation of the BlueMusic Bluetooth kit for our Volvo V70s, many of you asked me where I put the microphone for the version with the hands-free cell phone, and especially how to use. So in this video I will show you how I do and how it works. If you watch this video by chance and you want to know what's going on with this BlueMusic kit, I will let you on the right corner the link about the installation, and of course on the description below. I guess there is not enough wire to bring the microphone until the A pillar, and I cannot imagine the business to hide the wiring along the dashboard. So forget that option, and I will simply put it on the radio here. I will put here to hide the wire as much as I can. On the top right corner there is a foam here and here to avoid the vibration, and it could be difficult to put back the radio, so I will stay on here. A little clean with glass cleaner, quick to dry because it's super hot. Et voila. By the way, the microphone is provided with two brackets. I guess this one could be used here, so I have, and it's not fit. Let's see, in case of, you should bring the wire until here, but I don't like. The more it's discreet, the more I like. Well, allez. Okay. I'll make that clean as much as I can. Voilà. Check if it's still well plugged. We put back the radio now. Don't forget this rail that you have to lock along the dashboard here, okay? Be careful also the microphone wire. Do not block under this bracket. So you push up first, and then you push the two brackets down. Voila. Well, it's not professional way, but it's enough for me, and honestly I don't want to remove anything else from the dashboard to install this microphone that I use maybe one time a month. Et ben voilà. Guys, you must watch this video. I left the link on the description. It's a nice improvement for our car. Microphone is installed. You can see a little the wire, but nothing important. If a call is coming, it's really easy. You take the call here, you off the call here. Let's make a try in real life. Allô?
Allô?
Oui?
Bonjour.
Bonjour, ça va?
Oui.
Ah, c'est bien.
Ça y est, parfait.
C'est parfait. It's working well?
Yeah.
Okay. Maraming salamat po, my sweetie. Allez, bisous.
Allez, bisous.
Well, we're done. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.